So we've got you this value deal from Woli today. It's actually a jodi of 2 bedrooms, which is 584 square feet each. Can be purchased individually or can be combined and clubbed together and amalgamated later. Both the apartments come with one car park. It's equidistant from Palladium and Worli Naka. It's a very good opportunity for the investors and end users as well. Let's check this property out. So the amenities are spread across 3 levels, out of which we are on the lowest level of the amenities, which is P3. You have your swimming pool, your indoor games, and the kids' play area on this floor. You have a gymnasium, which is on a higher floor, and then the rooftop is again usable for small get-togethers. So we'll start with the P3 level right now. As you can see, there's a TT table right in front. It's quite spacious, very well lit. You don't need additional lights. And again, it's more like a lounge area in case you want to do some meetings out here and you don't want to call the guest home. It is ideal for that. This side, they have placed a pool table, which is again very spaced out area. This is a small seating space. So like the elderly can actually overlook the kids playing here. So it's right, very well placed. You have this kids play area. It feels like the floor is softened, so in case a kid falls, it won't hurt them. I think it's very well laid out, very well planned, and they've made the most out of the little spaces that they had. Now moving on to the other side of the P3 level, where they've kind of cordoned off very well. This is the entrance to the pool area. So you have your shower cubicles here, your changing rooms here, along with 2 washrooms. So it's again very well planned, and though it's a 2-3-year-old society, but it's very well maintained as well. Moving on to the pool side, it's kind of an L-shaped pool. You have the larger area on this side, and for more serious swimmers, you have a full lap area which takes you all the way to the end. We are on the 19th floor where you have the gymnasium. It's almost 1300 square feet gym that you have, and also on the same floor you have the refuge area and a nice kids play area. In a building size like this, having these kind of amenities is kind of a very big plus, because a lot of families, a lot of tenants have their kids and they need some play around space. So the developer has used all the spaces very smartly. They've kind of used every foot of it. In this, like, you have a washroom, you have, like, in case you're going out for a couple of hours and you want to leave the kid with a caretaker, this is an ideal space to be. We are on the terrace of the apartment, and it is very well maintained, good for small get-togethers or just an evening chill chai. So we are on the floor lobby of the apartment. There are 4 elevators and 4 apartments each floor. Out of the 4 elevators, one is a staff elevator or a service elevator or a full stretchers elevator, whatever you want to call it. And there are 2 fleets of staircases which take you up and down in case of emergencies. One of the fleets has this mid-landing washroom on each floor. तो आपका स्टाफ को जिसको भी यूज़ करना है वो आपका कॉमन वॉशरूम हो जाता है. और हमारे पास यहाँ पर 2 अपार्टमेंट्स हैं जो लग के हैं एक दूसरे से. तो अगर आपको जोड़ी देख रहे हैं, आप 584 स्क्वायर फीट का एक अपार्टमेंट है, तो अगर आप 1200 स्क्वायर फुट का जोड़ी देख रहे हैं तो वो भी आप कर सकते हैं. अभी हम एक अपार्टमेंट देखेंगे क्योंकि दोनों एकदम आइडेंटिकल है. बोथ आर एग्जैक्टली आइडेंटिकल मिरर इमेजेस ऑफ ईच अदर. इन टर्म्स ऑफ द वास्तु, व्हेन यू एंटर, यू आर एंटरिंग प्योर साउथ. आपका एंट्रेंस है साउथ और एग्जिट है नॉर्थ. और एंटर करते से ही आप देखेंगे कि वहाँ पर वीडियो डोर फ़ोन के लिए डिवाइसेस ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल्ड है. यहाँ पर भी डिवाइस ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल्ड है. एंट्रेंस पे डोरबेल, वीडियो डोरबेल इज़ ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल्ड. एंटर करते से ही आपका पहले किचन आ जाता है, फिर डाइनिंग एरिया, लिविंग एरिया और दोनों बेडरूम्स एक साइड पे. तो एकदम सिंपल लेआउट है, वेरी क्लीन लेआउट and very efficient layout, I would say. We'll start with the kitchen now. The kitchen comes with granite countertops. आपके पहले से countertops already लगे हुए हैं. लोअर स्टोरेज के लिए काफ़ी स्पेस है, नीचे और ऊपर की तरफ आप काफ़ी स्टोरेज कर सकते हैं। इसके अलावा यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रिकल और वाटर आउटलेट पॉइंट दिया हुआ है, तो आपका वॉशिंग मशीन यहाँ पर आ जाएगा। फ्रिज आपको यहाँ पर फिट करना पड़ेगा अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, उसके अलावा और कोई यहाँ पर प्रैक्टिकल जगह नहीं है। योर सिंक इज़ ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल्ड, योर कुकिंग हैपन्स योर। So I think for the size of the apartment, it is very, very efficiently done. You may say that it is compact. I would say it is very smartly done for a small family that stays in. Now, this becomes your dining space. Ideal would be a 4-seater dining table, and again, according to the apartment size, 4 would be ideal. 6 will be kind of a squeeze in, but 4-seater dining table fits quite well here. One thing that I really liked was this ventilation window. So if you're at home, you just open the windows of the living area and you open this window. There is good cross ventilation, like you don't feel suffocated. It's a very small aspect, but I think it adds a lot of value for a resident when it comes to that. In terms of all the switches, the developer has used Legrand. It's unused in this apartment. It's absolutely, you can see there is no light, no fan, so you get a petty pack apartment. So across the house, the developer has used imported marble for the flooring, except the master bedroom where there is a wooden field tile. I think in the living room you can easily seat 6 to 8 people, whereas your TV comes on this side, so it's very well spaced out, pure rectangle living dining space. And moving on to the common washroom and the common bedroom, which is very smartly done according to me. आपका ये common bedroom है, ये common washroom है. For example, अगर आपको दोनों मास्टर चाहिए तो आप ये डोर को निकाल कर यहाँ पर लगा सकते हैं. And whenever you have a guest, which is like once in a while, you can just have the guest enter the washroom and leave from here. So it's a very, very efficient design according to me. As of now, this is a common washroom and the common bedroom. So in the washroom, the developer has used jacquard fittings across. It's very smartly done again in terms of space. It's very well squeezed in. You have pre-fit Crompton water heaters in both the washrooms, and again this also comes with ventilation, which is very rare. Generally your washrooms are cramped and there is no space for air to leave, so it's naturally ventilated and very well ventilated. It's not just one window that you have. Now here you have tiles. They've used a 2x4 tile across this bedroom, and you have open views on the other side. Windows are, I would say, 25% openable, which is good enough because the wind is too much to handle. You have these fire sprinklers which are currently exposed because that's the norm. They have to keep it exposed. As a resident, you would want to kind of cover it up in the interior scheme of things. You can get all of that done. Now this is the master bedroom where they've done the flooring differently just to give a master feel. All your wardrobes come on this side, like it's very well decent enough of a space. I think the internal height should be around 9.5 feet, 9.5 feet to be precise. And you still have decent space for the master, like your bed to come here. Again, this is your master washroom, kind of done differently. It's cladded by tiles all the way up. As I mentioned, you have water heaters already provided. You have ventilation in this washroom also. So a single unit comes with one car park, which is a stack. The building has a facility of 24/7 valet, so you just need to enter the building and hand it over to the valet. And similarly, while you want to leave, you can just call them and they'll keep the car ready on the ground floor. The most important part which brought me to this property today is the pricing. I think we've never come across such a good product which has all the positives. We are in Worli, carpet size is very, very good, and the asking price makes it all the more attractive, which is 2.99 crores only. You can follow us for more interesting properties and like our videos in case you like.